Have you ever wished pancakes could be soft, fluffy, and packed with protein without using regular flour? Today I'm sharing one of my favorite healthy breakfast recipes: high-protein cottage cheese pancakes. They're light, satisfying, naturally gluten-friendly when made with almond flour, and perfect for busy mornings, meal prep, or after a workout. Let's get started. You'll need 1 cup cottage cheese, 2 large eggs, 1/3 cup liquid egg whites, 1/4 cup almond flour. Add 1 to 2 extra tablespoons if the batter is too thin. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon baking powder. Optional, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. For sweetener, monk fruit sweetener. Pinch of salt, cooking spray, or a little butter for the pan. Add the cottage cheese, whole eggs, egg whites, vanilla, baking powder, cinnamon, and salt to a blender. Blend until smooth and creamy. Now add the almond flour and blend again for a few seconds. If your batter looks too thin, let it rest for about 5 minutes. The almond flour will absorb some moisture and naturally thicken the batter. If it's still a little runny, simply add another tablespoon or 2 of almond flour until you reach a thick pancake batter consistency. Heat a nonstick skillet over medium-low heat. Lightly grease the pan. Scoop about 1/4 cup of batter onto the skillet for each pancake. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until bubbles begin to appear and the edges look set. Flip carefully and cook another 2 minutes until both sides are golden brown. Because these pancakes are high in protein, they cook a little more gently than traditional pancakes, so avoid using high heat. Stack the pancakes on a plate while they're warm. Top them with your favorite healthy toppings like fresh blueberries, strawberries, Greek yogurt, chopped nuts, a drizzle of pure maple syrup or honey. Sugar-free syrup if you're watching your sugar intake. These pancakes are high in protein to help keep you full longer, made without regular wheat flour, naturally lower in carbohydrates than traditional pancakes. Easy to customize with your favorite healthy toppings. They're perfect for anyone trying to eat clean, support an active lifestyle, or simply enjoy a nutritious breakfast. For the fluffiest pancakes, don't overheat the pan. Let the batter rest before cooking. Use full-fat or low-fat cottage cheese. Both work well. If the batter thickens too much after resting, add a splash of milk. You can also make a double batch and refrigerate or freeze them for quick breakfasts throughout the week. Here are a few delicious topping ideas. Orange berry yogurt, 1/2 cup plain Greek yogurt. Monk fruit sweetener, 1 teaspoon fresh lemon juice. A little orange zest. Mixed berries. This is refreshing and perfect for summer. Instead of sugary syrup, I'm topping these pancakes with a creamy vanilla Greek yogurt, sweetened naturally with monk fruit. Then I'll add fresh berries for natural sweetness and extra fiber. It's a delicious, protein-packed topping that's a great option for people managing their blood sugar. If you enjoyed this healthy recipe, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Eat Clean Daily for more simple, high-protein recipes that are delicious and easy to make. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next healthy recipe. Until next time, keep eating clean and take care.